Write each rational number as decimal. Tell wherever each decimal is terminating or repeating decimal. So first we have to rewrite our fractions as a decimal. In the first example, in denominator we have 1000. When we have 1000 or 10 or 100 or million, it's very easy to change this fraction to decimal number. You just copy whatever you have in the numerator. In our example is 29, and we just count how many zeros you have in denominator. 1, 2, 3, and from the right side we just count three digits. We have 1, 2, 3. When you have empty space, we have to just add 0, and decimal point will be before 0. So 29 100th as a decimal is 0.029. Just copy numerator and count how many zeros you have in denominator and start from the right side to the left. 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 we need. Because we have only 2, so I have to add 1 0. And before 0 we have to put decimal point. We change this rational number to the decimal number. It means that our decimal is terminating decimal. Next example, we have 3 over 18. Now denominator is 18, so we will do long division to change this fraction to decimal. We have to divide 3 by 18. How many times you can put 18 to 3? 0. Because 0, so we will add at the end decimal point. It's always invisible. And few zeros. And now 0 times 18 is 0. We have to do subtraction. 3 minus 0 is 3. Decimal point we have to put up. And we take down first 0. 30 divided by 18 is 1. 1 times 18 is 18. Now you have to do subtraction. 30 minus 18, so we have to borrow 1 from 3. It will be 2, and at the end we have 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have to now add next 0. We have 120 divided by 18 is 6. 6 times 18 is 108. Now again subtraction. We have to do subtraction, so we borrow 1 from 2, so it will be 1. And at the end we will have 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. Again we got 12, so we take down 0. Again we got 120 divided by 18, so it will be 6. 6 times 18 is 108. So we see that again everything repeats. We will have 120 minus 108, that this is 12. Have to add another 0, take down, and so on. And we have again 120 divided by 18, so it will be 6. So we see that 6 repeats. We cannot finish our long division. So our decimal will be repeating decimal, and we can rewrite 3 over 18, that this is 0.1. And because 6 repeats, we don't have to put 666. We just write above 6 the bar. It means that 6 repeats, and we will write that this is repeating decimal. This is my solution.